Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you RedotPay crypto card tutorial. Using a crypto card like RedotPay feels a bit futuristic at first, like you're spending digital coins the same way you'd tap a normal card. Getting started is actually pretty simple though. I download the app, sign up, and go through KYC verification, which usually means uploading an ID and a quick selfie. The part unlocks most of the features. Once I'm verified, I apply for the crypto card. You can choose between a virtual one, which is instant, or a physical card if you want something to carry around. I usually start with the virtual card since it's ready right away. After activation, I set up my PIN and connect my crypto balance. From there, using it feels just like a regular debit card. I can pay online or in store, and the app handles the crypto conversion behind the scenes. In the end, it's basically turning your crypto into something you can actually spend day to day without overthinking. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.